We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner on a Canon color image class MF733cdw. So with this printer it takes a Canon 046. There's 4 toners, one for each color. There's a button right here. Press that and it opens your front hatch. Press down on this blue thing and it pops your toner tray out, and then just take your toner, the old one, take it out, set it to the side, unbox your new one, and just put it back in its place. There should be, so right here it'll tell you which colors go where. So as you can see, this will be your cyan. So just make sure you put it back in the correct slot. Discard of your old toner. Shut your hat thing here, and once it clicks, you know it's in there. And then shut your front hatch, and you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call. Have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.